thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Today we are making a chicken curry, and this is not your traditional chicken curry. I actually made this up, kind of just grabbed the ingredients that I really liked and I just put them together. I actually made this up when I wasn't living in the United States. I actually moved for about a year and I lived in Syria, and I really wanted some curry, chicken curry, and they're not really big on Indian cuisine over there. So I kind of just started putting some ingredients together and I came up with this recipe, and I still make it till now, even though I'm here in Oklahoma. Here are our ingredients today, and I'm going to show you how we're going to put it together. I have here, so these are Anaheim or poblano peppers, and this is just for garnishment. It gives it a really good color and a crunch. We're gonna need 3 diced onion, and you don't want them thinly diced, just kind of roughly diced onions. I have here 2 cans of coconut milk, and then I have 2 cups of whole milk. And I have here some chicken breast that I diced up into pieces, just like this. These are a total of 4 chicken breasts that I diced up. I have here some mushrooms, and I bought the big package of mushroom and I just thinly sliced them and chopped them just like this. And then we're gonna need coconut oil. And here are our spices. We're gonna need the salt and the curry and the paprika. I'm just gonna keep those on the side here. We'll need those in addition to what I have right here. I have here for our sauce 2 teaspoons of salt, half a teaspoon of allspice, 1 teaspoon of Aleppo pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and I have here 1 teaspoon of regular paprika, 3 teaspoons of curry powder. And we're gonna need salt and the curry and the paprika. We're gonna season up our chicken whenever we're sauteing it. And then we also need some naan to serve along with our curry. And of course, the rice, which I will show you here in a second. I'm gonna have to put these ingredients together, and then I'll show you how we're gonna cook the rice as well. About 2 teaspoons of cornstarch to thicken up our sauce. These are our ingredients today, and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna put them together. So I'm gonna go ahead and put our heat on between medium and high heat. And what we're gonna start out is I'm gonna add my coconut oil. I'm not gonna measure, I'm just gonna eyeball it. You just wanna coat your pan with the coconut oil. So just like this. And then as soon as that heats up, we're gonna add our onions. Saucepan, while our mushrooms and onions are cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and add our whole milk and our coconut milk. Here's 1 can, and here is 2 cans. So on medium heat, I'm gonna go ahead and add our spices and our starch. gonna add a little bit of salt to our chicken, and then paprika, and some curry. And we're just gonna give that a little mix. Okay, so since our mushrooms and our onions are sauteed up, I'm gonna go ahead and add our chicken that we just seasoned. And we're gonna cook the chicken in. It's the same thing as the jasmine rice. For every cup of rice, it's 2 cups of water or liquid, 2 1/4 if you're adding vermicelli. Of course, this rice we're not adding vermicelli, so we're gonna do 1 cup of rice and then 2 cups of water. So I'm gonna make 2 of these cups, and it doesn't matter which cup you use. Any cup, you're gonna use 2 cups of liquid in that same measurement. And you want to make sure that you're using basmati rice or like an Indian rice. It needs to be a long grain. And here's my second cup. So this is what I mean by long grain. You want it to be long. And then when we're done sauteing our chicken, do you see all these juices? We don't want those. We are actually going to get rid of those before we add our curry sauce that we just cooked, because it will water it down. Okay, so I got rid of most of the water. I mean, not all of it, but I did get rid of most of it. And it's okay if you have just a little bit left, but we don't want all that water in there. Rice, we're gonna go ahead and add probably about 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, just like this in our pot. Add some fennel seeds, just a little bit. Get them toasted in that coconut oil. I'm gonna add some curry for a little bit of color and some saffron. If you don't have saffron, you can still make it without it, but I do like to put a little bit of saffron in it. And then just a little bit of salt. We don't want to salt up this rice because our curry dish already has salt in it. And we're just going to toast up those fennel seeds in the oil, and then I'm going to add my rice, and then I will add my water. rice to come up to a roaring boil. I put it on high after I closed it. As soon as it boils, we're gonna do 20 minutes on our timer on low heat, and then our rice will be ready. Our rice is coming up to a roaring boil. I'm gonna go ahead and reduce our heat on low, and I'm gonna put a timer for 20 minutes. Top it off with peppers and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my recipe.